super straightforward install of our like piggyback cable. This piggyback cable has our common 20-pin plug on it, which will fit our M series and X series head units. So that is it here, female and it's like a male. You just need to run that down to wherever you're going to run the amp. It's quite small. I would suggest either underneath the like seat or actually up under here. I'll confirm on the product page how long this cable is, but I think we've got about 2.5 meters or 3 meters of that length here. So you can see quite often up under here, there's quite a bit of that room. So in this case here, we're just going to use a big 3mm stick pad on the back of here. We will try and include those in the extra future kit, so you don't have to go and like get them yourself. And it's going to be stuck on the back up there, so you can't even see it now, and I'll try and go and show you where it is. That's where it's going to sit. So how good does that look? Can't even tell it's there really. So that's that. The cable, just use the cable puller or whatever you have to actually get it up behind the head unit. And then all you're going to do is grab our main head unit plug here and plug the piggyback cable into it. There we go, install done. Hopefully you can sort of see that. Plugged into here, plugged into there, and this is our piggyback cable. That's how easy it is to install. So majority of the time you can install this in like, we got to pull the old head unit out, which wasn't too hard on this model, and if you installed the head unit yourself, you'll be pretty actually comfortable with that. But you can install one like these in 20 minutes, no dramas. So that's that. The only other things to do is, if you've got whatever head unit you have, make sure the DSP, if it's one of our ones, is like set to flat. So like go into our head units and then go into our apps, our DSP, and set the DSP to flat, because that's going to send a signal out to the amp which has its own like DSP in it. So you don't want to have some like DSP like settings from the head unit that are then sending out a different signal into the amp, which then is doing its thing. You don't want to, you know, double DSP out. So yeah, on here we'll have ones that say like Mitsubishi like Trident, and we'll have what like years it suits, and we've already done the tune for that, and the speaker set it will like suit. So it could be the 4 speakers or the 4 speakers in the sub. You'll buy the amp and it has a special SKU, and we'll actually install that file on the amp for you, so you're all good to go. If you want to do it yourself, or it's a model we actually haven't done, you'll have to buy the amp and grab the external mic too, and we'll try and see if we get the USB cable as well. And then we will put in the email the software you need, a Windows laptop you'll need to do. And you'll probably have to have a little bit of a learning process of how to do that. But we'll create another video on how you can do the tuning. And the cool thing is the software and the amp can actually do AI like auto tuning. So you can actually just push the button, play sounds, the microphone that sits in here, and the whole thing gets tuned. And that gives you like a DSP tune that's 90% good. If you want to be like a real gun, then you can then like go in and like fiddle with it a bit more, and that's about it. We'll create like another video on the AI tune, but all you basically have to do is put the mic in here and maybe like measure the distance from each speaker. But if you're buying one already preloaded, all you gotta do is make sure on your head unit to set the DSP to flat profile, plug this thing in, good to go. Then obviously you have to install the speakers, because there's not much point of running this without the speakers all upgraded as well. Any questions, just reach out.